Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at the steps to remove the single border pixel around apps including on File Explorer. On Windows 11, like in previous version, includes a solid border in File Explorer and other apps, and that's what you see around the frame. While this visual effect helped with the design experience in Windows 10, the new version of the OS introduces a new UI using different visual elements, making this pixel around the borders unnecessary. As you can see, it doesn't match with the actual design. I'm using a preview of Windows 11, and this might change in the future, but if you're using it inside a preview and if you're seeing this and you don't like it, you can remove it. Okay, so here's how to remove the annoying Windows pixel border in Windows 11. First, open the Settings app, then go to Personalization, then go to Colors, and then under Accent Color, go to the bottom and disable this option. And as you can see, we no longer have the border pixel around the application. I know this is a preview still, but disabling the option also fixes the title bar, which as you can see now, we can actually read the text and view the elements to minimize, maximize, and close.